Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Now select this button with 3 lines and click on the icon of an app. Then select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use Play Store in floating window. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. If you want to use it overlay the other app, just tap on the other one and operate in both. In order to make your app smaller, you can click on Home button. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. You can even move the bubble. If you wish to close this app though, you need to hold it and drag it to remove section, or simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!